back to the layout. Now I made a mistake when I started building this. Now I'm having a third level, but with the third level I need to access the wiring underneath the track. So for me to do that, I've got to cookie cut the boards and then raise it. So where you see this black line is roughly, this is the second or first level on this one, and over here it's going to go up about 10 inches, but it will be about 10 inches high. So for me to do what I want to do, so I can have access underneath the layout, I have to cut that board. So I'm not going to lose any of the board. I'll just cut it and then raise it. So I'll go ahead and cut it and raise it. We'll see what she looks like. Okay guys, I've cut the board again, and that's the board there. It's all been joined up together. All I'll do is put them on those noggins. So I'll go ahead and do that, and then I'll show you the next part. Okay guys, it's all screwed down now, that part of the track. Now all I've got to do is the outside one, which is coming up about, I don't know, 10 inches or so. But I was going to do the third level. I was going to screw it into the wall, but I'm going to keep it onto the frame. So I'm going to actually do the frame exactly the same, and then pop it up on the sides, which I'll show you when I do it. So that's the end of that little part. Okay, guys, I'll show you first third level bench work. Now what's actually going to happen now, because I'm not going to go on the wall, I'll have these pieces of pine which will sit and hold it up there, and from the bottom, so it'll sit up like this. So I'll go ahead and put that on, and then we'll see what she looks like. Okay guys, all the legs are on now. All I've got to do is try and place it in place, and hopefully it works. Okay guys, I've all screwed in now. All I've got to do is put the chipboard on top, but I will do this side first before I put the chipboard. And the chipboard's just not going to be straight either, it will overhang. But yeah, she's pretty solid like a rock. So far so good. As I said, that will be going right around the layout. The only problem is when I get to my aluminium gate, or swing gate, but I think it will work out. But anyway, I'll carry on with the other side and put the chipboard on. Hey guys, just finished the third level on this part. That's what she's going to look like. Give you an idea. You know, obviously all them sides are going to be rocks. It's going to look like a mountain sort of thing. So from here down, she'll all be rocks all the way along. So now all I do is carry on with the rest of the layout. And the height of this top level from the ground is 60 inches. But anyway, I'll carry on and hopefully the rest will look as well. I think it looks pretty good, so. Another side look. Alright guys, I'll keep going and I'll show you more as I go along.